your hardest or toughest times, but overall they take you in a wrong direction. They might be doing something that is not right, and because now you have the money, you might be more drawn to those activities, get stuck in that trap, and that is one of the easiest way to get back to poverty, even below the point from where you started. So yes, I believe that it is never impossible to reach the height from any point in life, but obviously it gets a little difficult. If you are here and you have to reach here, you have to start from here, right? But if you have reached here, stuck in a poverty generator, and then you fall down here, right? And then now you have to work your way all the up to this point, right? So before you had the advantage of starting from somewhere in the middle, but now you have to start from completely zero. So you know your advantage, okay, and be aware of it, and don't blow that opportunity away. That is one of the poverty generators, okay. The third one that I think is that comes under poverty generator is not having a clear vision of where you want to be in life, even though you have not started anything, or not have still not thought of doing anything, something big, like starting your business or going for a competitive examination, or something that might really affect your life in a positive way. If you still haven't thought about it, but still you should not have a lack of vision in life. You should always know your goal. Some people don't have the goal to earn money. I get it. They don't want money, they want peace of mind. Still reasonable enough. Okay. But if you're clear where you want to be, eventually you will reach there sooner or later. You know, all good things take time. So that was my topic for today. Don't get stuck in poverty generators, and look out for them and help your co-mates if any one of them are stuck, or you find them stuck in this situation. But only you can help them, but you cannot drag them with you, right? You can suggest them, but don't get stuck with them. Okay, if they don't want to move from their place, don't stand there with them to be crushed by the